let's talk about how and when to clean your bearings. I look at cleaning your bearings the same way I look at like getting oil for your car. It's just something that has to be done to keep the wheels going. How do you know when it's time to clean your bearings? If you hear any crunchy noises, it might be time to clean your bearings. If you have any problem with your wheels rotating at all, it might be time to clean your bearings. The rink causes really, really dirty skates, but if there's any problems that cause a lack of smoothness, then it's probably time to clean your bearings, and it's super easy. Normally I clean them maybe every 2 to 3 months, but bearings are inexpensive enough that I will just buy new bearings if push came to shove. It's important to know how to clean them if you're in a situation where you can't buy new bearings right now. Something that works really well is just orange degreaser. I got this off of Amazon. It's just multi-purpose. They use it on cars, so there's no issue with it for your skates. And you can just cop one of these super easy bearing cleaners, and it allows you to just clean all of your bearings at once by taking them out of your boot the same way that we did a little bit earlier, attaching them to this rod. Then you'll pour your degreaser inside, close it up, and then shaking it, and you'll be able to visibly see all of the muck and grime that will come off of these. Once all of that muck and grime is off, lay them out on a paper towel or a cloth and make sure that they dry out. Once they dry, don't forget to lube them up. That way you can get rolling again. If manual labor is not your jam, or you are a baller shot caller, you can just buy new bearings. Okay, that is it, my loves. Those are the basics that you need to know as a beginner to get you rolling. Go ahead and drop any other questions that you have in the comment box and I will get them answered. My goal is to get as many people roller skating as possible, so I'm very, very glad that you were here, and I will see you in the next one.